How to turn on comments on your post notifications on Reddit. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Reddit, then open it and after this guys, go to this your profile icon, click on it and then go to settings. And after settings, go to account settings. Then on account settings, you have now to go to manage notifications. Then you will find here activity comments on your post. Now you have to turn on this by clicking here on this place, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.